Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil filter on a BMW 1 Series F20. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a suitable wrench, an oil filter housing removal tool, and a large drain pan. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, as this helps the old oil drain more efficiently. Finally, have your new oil filter, fresh O-rings, and the correct type and amount of new engine oil readily available before you begin. Now, let's drain the old engine oil. Safely lift your BMW and locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug to catch all the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the old oil to flow completely into the pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the oil filter. The oil filter housing is typically located on top of the engine, often near the front. Use your specialized oil filter housing tool to carefully unscrew the cap. Remove the old filter element and discard it. Remember to replace the large O-ring on the housing cap and the smaller O-ring on the filter stem with the new ones provided with your new filter. Once the new filter is in place, carefully screw the housing cap back on and tighten it to the manufacturer's specifications, usually around 25 Newton meters. Reinstall the oil drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it securely. Now, add the correct amount of fresh engine oil through the filler cap. Start the engine, let it run for a few minutes, then check for leaks and verify the oil level. Don't forget to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.